Wrigley, come here. This is my dog, Wrigley. And he's very cute. He is a Bichon Frise. And he is, I think, 3 years old. I'm not sure. Could be older than that. But, yeah. I'm supposed to give him a bath, but... oh well. I'm a procrastinator, so I'm not going to. But, oh well. So, yeah. That's about it.